Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Photoshop. This is your guy Felix Blaze. Today we are going to learn how we can create this birthday design in Photoshop. If you are new here, please do well and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to give you more videos. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to design these simple birthday flyers here and there. The first thing I'm going to do here right now is I'll create a gradient background. So I'll go here for gradient, then double click inside this gradient. Okay, so when you double click inside this, you'll get something like this. Now you have to set the color. Maybe you might not have something like this, but you can get something like, when you come to basics, you can get something like this. So yours might be something like this, or if yours is like this, fine. Then you double click inside this one, and then change the color to maybe gray. So you see the gray and white are quite related, they blend together. Okay, so we have this gray and then the white. Okay, so let's check here if this one is totally white. If it is white, you have the code, the X code for white is 6X, and it is there, so white. So from here I'll confirm that, and then I'll press on OK. Then I'll change this one to radial. Now for radial, you can see it well. You can see all these places gray and all these places white. So what I'll do is I'll click inside this one, reverse. So we have something like this. Then I can scale it up so that the white will be dominant. So you have something like this. Okay, the gray shouldn't fade out, but the white should be dominant. Okay, then confirm that. From here, 90% of the work is done. If you are done with the background, you are done with most of the work. So what we are going to do next is we'll go in for our picture. So this I'm going to use 2 pictures. Okay, and I've already removed the background. So if you don't know how to remove a background of a picture, make sure you go to my videos and look for how to remove background of any picture. Okay, so I'll look for my pictures. So I'm going to place this first picture there. After placing my picture, what I'm going to do next is I'll change the blending option here from normal to luminosity, something like this. Then I'll stretch up a little. Something like this is cool. So from here, what I'm going to do next is I'll go in for another picture. So with this one, I can place her here, like you just try to position her. If you position her this way, it means she'll be facing away from the main side. You see, this side is very small compared to this side. So if you position her this way, that is how she's going to be. So we can do it that way. Okay, if you do it that way, then we can decrease the size more, something like this. So one, I'll reduce the opacity to maybe 20. Then bring this one to this side as small. This one still, now you can see it, so let's reduce it to 10. So we have something like this. Okay, then I'll stretch this picture small. Something like this. Okay, that picture will be part of the background. Okay, so from here we can write happy birthday to you. Okay, so from here I can add some shapes as well, but I don't want to add the shape, so let's write a happy birthday. So already have this. I will make sure there's, if you let us zoom, let me show you some common mistakes beginners do. After writing this, what they will do is they will bring the text here. Okay, and then another one will be, look at the space between. The space is too big and it's not good. Okay, so don't do that. And some will even come here and change this color to something like blue. Look at this color and change this one to, I'm showing you some of the common mistakes we do as beginners, and change this one as green. So look at, we have green, we have this kind of violet blue, we have red, we have white, a whole lot of colors come into play. So we need to minimize the number of colors we use. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'll just maintain this one as black, and I want to do some perfect combination here, so I can set this one to red, so I can sample that from the shirt so that I get exact color for the shirt. Okay, I don't know whether it's shirt or gown, so anyhow you know it. So I get exact one, but this one is quite not saturated, so I need to choose the saturated one. So I'll come here and choose this one. This one is more saturated. Then I'll change that color. The text looks like this, something like this. So if you can see, I'm trying to do something here. You can see that I'm trying to align this text. I'm aligning the R, the H here, and then I'm aligning this one too with this Y here. You get it? So we have something like this. So this is what I'm trying to do here. The total beginner, see, I'm just trying to align them here. So from here I can hide that and then add some kind of design to my text. Okay, so I can make sure that this one I can add some shape here. Okay, so I have something like this here. I can increase the stroke. Okay, so based on your discretion, how you see it, yeah, any way you think it would be nice for you. Like I'm cutting this one out, but you can see that I can sample the color here so that I can use that one for the stroke. So press on U, then click on this one, go to the colors, and let's sample the color here. Very good. So we have something like this. Okay, so it's like you are cutting this one from this one. So from here I can make a copy of this ellipse, Ctrl J, then I will drag it to the D. Okay, you see B and D are quite related. So for this you see like it's just like I'm creating my own font. So you have this happy birthday, get this one. Yeah, so this is not bad at all. Okay, so from here I'll just try to position my images. Okay, so from here I can add some information to you. I wrote some text here to a red gem. Okay, and then the name will follow. Control C. So I'll type that one here, and that one should not be close to the happy birthday. So I'll paste that text, and then I'll select that one and change it to regular. Okay, so for the size I can decrease the size here, maybe 14. That is half of 20. Okay, and then I will make sure the color is set to maybe black. Okay, so me, I don't use a lot of colors in my design, but if you think you can do perfect combination with colors, then it's a good way to do it. But if you don't take time, colors will make your work look very bad. So to a real gem, then I'm going to add the name. So the name we can style it some way big. Okay, so we can just create another shape here, like this. Okay, then place it there, then let me bring it up so that doesn't. So from here I can type the name like Grace. It's here. Okay, something like this is cool. So happy birthday to a red gem, greeting it here. So from here we can add some other birthday messages to it. So I have this birthday message. Okay, so wishing you a day filled with happiness and a long life, filled with joy, my dear friend. Okay, she's not a boy, this one is a friend. So, my dear friend, then I will align it to the center. Okay, so I can increase the size for this one. Event or something, we can add those things to it. So, and create some shapes here. Yeah, I'll make a copy for this one. So this one is kind of, I'm just trying to add some design flesh to it. So from here I'll add the day. Okay, the date to be maybe 10th June. Okay, then we can set that color to red because the black are many here, so we can make this one red. Then we can change the regular to maybe bold. So you can see the arrangement is not quite okay here, so I just have to position this one to at the center like this, that they are well arranged. Okay, all this comes together when you are designing. So I'll bring that one quite here, then I can set this shape here, and then set this one, sorry, set this one to here. You have something like this. So this is the very simple birthday design you can create in Photoshop as a beginner. This one is fully explained. If you like this video, please like it, and then let's hear from you. If you are new to this channel, to do well and subscribe to this channel. My name is Felix Blaze. Thank you for watching this video. Makramuina. Bye bye.